Module 5. Okay, in that today topic is monitoring and managing the various informations. Okay, infrastructure components means what are the like components as well as the parameters, okay, which we are going to used for the storage infrastructure. Okay, here we are going to use for the parameter will be accessibility, capacity as well as the performance of that particular per particular cloud, as well as the parameter components. Okay, that should be a host, storage systems, or it may be any physical systems. Okay, these all are the different components. Okay, we are going to use so this is what I am going to explain elaborately in this video. Good morning students. Today I am going to explain about the parameter monitor and components of the storage infrastructure, or it may be storage array. Okay, how we are going to securing the informations, okay, by using this what is that parameters and components, okay, in the cloud environment. Okay, you see the parameter, okay, we are going to monitor, okay, what are the parameters, okay, which we are going to use to monitor the exact data in the storage infrastructure means, okay, that is one is accessibility, capacity and performance. Okay, these three parameters, okay, it is going to use for the monitor the perfect data in the storage infrastructure, or it may be a cloud environment. Okay, then what is the accessibility? See, the accessibility, which is nothing but, okay, the right person, okay, they are going to access the right data in the right time. Okay, I am repeating, the right person, okay, they are going to access the right data in the specific amount of time. Okay, that we are going to call it as the accessibility. Okay, then the accessibility, okay, they are going to involve the hardware as well as the software components. Okay, the hardware components, okay, they are going to use for the many number of hardware components, such as hard disk, or it may be a port, okay, or it may be an IC card. Okay, they are going to use the means they are going to access the hardware components in the right time. Okay, then what are the software components? The software components, okay, they are going to access the database, okay, has the exact persons in the exact time in the cloud environment. Okay, these all are the accessibility. Okay, then capacity means, okay, it is going to tell us about the amount of storage infrastructure resource, means how much okay, the capacity, okay, they are going to having the storage infrastructure resources. Okay, means the totally, okay, the storage resources, okay, having the how much capacity to control the all the informations in the cloud environment. Okay, this is about the capacity. Then what is the performance? Okay, see the performance, which is nothing but, okay, they are going to consider as the hardware as well as the software performance, means which is nothing but totally the cloud environment, or it may be storage infrastructure environment. Okay, the cloud or in the storage, which is nothing but both are same. Okay, we are going to storing the data either cloud, or it may be by using the storage devices in the in the infrastructure manner. Okay, see how we are going to storing the data, okay, in the cloud. Okay, that cloud, they are going to tell us about the performance. Okay, the performance means, okay, how fastly they are going to storing the data inside the storage infrastructure. Okay, how fastly we can retrieve the data whenever the person wants that particular data in the cloud. Okay, how how long or how fastly they can transfer the data from one end to another end. Okay, these all are, okay, calculate as the performance of the storage infrastructure. Okay, so this is the three parameters, okay, which we are going to use in the parameter monitored in the storage infrastructure, means, okay, these all are the three parameters, okay, we are going to maintaining in the storage infrastructure as a component. Then what is the parameter component? See the parameter component, okay, which is nothing but the parameter component, okay, which is nothing but, we are going to use for the three types of parameters. One is host as well as the storage systems, systems, okay. Then like storage, okay. The host, which is nothing but it is a client, okay. The client, okay, how they are going to communicate between the one system to another system, okay, by using the any one of the hardware component, or it may be a port, or it may be an IC card, or it may be fiber channel cables, okay. Any one of the access media, okay, they are going to use for sending and transferring the data between one system to another system. So this was the host. Then storage system, okay. The storage system here, like what are the storage devices, okay, they are going to use for storing all the informations or all the like necessary things, okay, in the storage environment, okay. The storage system, okay, here we are going to use for the what is that, hard disk, okay, or it may be storage array or storage disk, okay, or it may be a what is that, database, okay. So these all are the storage systems, okay, they are going to use in the cloud. Then storage, yes, the storage means what type of storage, okay, they are going to use, okay. Either it may be a either it may be a hardware storage or it may be a software storage, okay, like that, which type of storage, okay, they are going to use. So this is the components, okay, they are going to use in the parameter monitored as well as the component in the storage infrastructure components, okay. I'll move on to the next one. See, this is the see the diagram of the monitoring components here. See, the component, okay, I told they are going to use for the storage systems, or it may be a host, or it may be storage. See here the storage systems, okay, they are going to use for the H1, see, sorry, the host will be H1, H2, H3, okay. Here the H1, H2, H3, okay, which is nothing but here they are going to work as the different clients, okay. The different client, okay, how they are going to communicate between the one device to another. So the storage system, okay, here they are going to work as the new server, okay. Then what is the storage means, I told, right, what type of storage they are going to use. It may be hardware storage or it may be software. See here they are going to use for the hardware storage, that is storage array, okay. The storage array, it may be one of the hardware component, okay. Within that they are going to dump the data, okay, inside this storage array, okay. How they are going to like dumping, okay, they are going to use for the switches, or it may be a fiber channel, okay, I told, right. Then port or NIC card, by using any one of these components they are going to transfer the data from one system to another systems, okay. See, they are going to use for the switch 1, switch 2, okay, for the multiple users or multiple hosts, okay. Through that they are going to like transfer the data inside the storage array, okay. Then if any one of the connections will be failure, okay, suppose suppose the host one, okay, the host, okay, they cannot they cannot able to communicate, okay, within the time, okay, if like or in between any connections will be lost for the host one, okay. So the other devices or other host, okay, it won't affect to other hosts or other devices, means, okay, the so what is that, the particular host or the particular client, okay, they cannot able to communicate within the specific time, okay. In the remaining clients or the remaining, okay, the applications or remaining what is that like a host or node, okay, it does not affect, okay. They can, as usual, they can communicate within the time or within the right data in the storage device, okay. Means they can easily transfer the data between the storage device. See what I am going to tell means, okay, if any one of the device will be occurs or affected with some any one of the issues or like any one of the problem, okay, it won't affect to the other means beside nodes, okay, there is no any affections of that particular node, okay. They can easily communicate between the source as well as the destinations by using the switches, okay. So this is what the diagram of the monitoring components. Then thank you.